Fumihung is evolving into a new version, PMH 2.0, aiming to set new standards for international lifestyle, iconic design, and world-class quality. As part of this vision, CN82 stands out as one of the first projects to fully embrace and implement this transformation. Hi there, I'm B. I'm here to share with you the design improvements of the CN82 project. Let's get started. This presentation has two main parts. Part A gives an overview of the design vision for Fumihung 2.0 and the CN82 project. Part B focuses on two key improvements: Section 1, Aesthetic Project Upgrade, and Section 2, Lifestyle Enhancement. So let's begin with Part A, Overall Design Vision. After over 30 years of development, today, PMH continues to grow with the Fumihung 2.0 strategy. Especially the cultural heart area around Crescent Lake will build many ultra-luxury projects. This area is planned to host Class A office building, a cultural center with a 900-seat theater, and Taman Hospital. The CN projects next to Crescent Lake will be developed into a high-end residential neighborhood, creating an upscale complex next to the cultural heart of Fumihung. CN82 will be the first luxury residential project in the CN area. CN82's location is near Crescent Lake, Starlight Bridge, and Crescent Park, a prime spot with beautiful views in many directions. Let's talk about the current status of the CN82 project. The project got its construction license in May this year, so we are ready to move forward. Here are some outstanding numbers of project. 1 to 2 units per floor, each 300 to 700 meters squares, only with 49 units, 2 private lifts per unit. Total 136 parking lots, 1 unit, 2-3 parking lots, 2 amenity floors with 15 plus functional rooms. But we have a critical issue. Keep improvements without affecting license and tender schedule. Let's move on to Part B, Design Improvements. In this part, we'll talk about two main items. Item 1, Aesthetic Project Upgrade. How we improved facade, interior, and landscape design to match with PMH 2.0 version. Item 2, Lifestyle Enhancement. How we enhance everyday living through smart design, advanced amenities, and wellness-focused features, combining technology and comfort for a new level of living experience. Let's go through them one by one. First, let's talk about the facade design upgrade. We can easily recognize these architectural landmarks: the Parthenon in Athens, Taj Mahal in India, and Pyramid in Egypt. They all share the same key qualities: famous, timeless, iconic, grand, architectural, historic, and they all have one thing in common. They follow the classic golden ratio. The timeless proportions of the golden rectangle have shaped architectural design through the centuries. The original design was truly elegant and followed the golden rectangle in overall view. However, some details still needed improvement. That's why we made upgrades to the proportions and details. For example, the main entrance was adjusted for better proportions and more design details were added to make the building look more elegant and luxurious. The design keeps the original style, but updates in proportions and details add depth and improve its overall aesthetics. Next, let's move on to the improvement of the interior design. The original 2019 version in neoclassical style, elegant and luxurious. Now the design feels outdated in function, materials, and aesthetics. An upgrade needed to enhance usability, durability, and long-term appeal to align with Fumihung 2.0. So we worked with DWP consultants to upgrade the current design. The interior design of CN82 has been carefully upgraded to reflect a luxurious lifestyle. Key public areas such as the main lobby, waiting lounge, library and lounge, residence meeting room, private dining and bar, gym, golf room, spa, and salon have been improved with better proportions, higher ceilings, and high-quality materials. Like the facade and interior, upgrading the landscape design is also important to show the project's luxury. The original 2019 design followed a European garden style, dense and formal, but not really suited with HCMC's tropical climate and more challenges in long-term maintenance. So we need improved design to align with the PMH 2.0 vision: elegant, open, comfortable, and user-friendly spaces. More convenient for long-term maintenance. We are working with WTD, a well-known landscape consultant with many luxury projects in China. The landscape design of CNH2 has been upgraded to better reflect the lifestyle and expectations of its target residents, a community of well-educated elites and international families. Key improvements focus on creating calm, green spaces that support wellness, family interaction, and social connection. Spaces are now more open and elegant, with simplified plant layouts, better walking paths, and thoughtfully placed seating areas, all designed to reduce maintenance while enhancing comfort and visual appeal. In addition, the project also includes design improvements for lighting, signage, and logo. These are still in progress and will be shared in the next update. Next, for item 2, lifestyle enhancement. The first, soundproofing to quieter, more peaceful home. CN82 is the first project to be built in the CN area, so in the future, many other buildings will continue to be constructed. As a result, construction noise may affect future residents. Also, CN82 is handed over in bare finish, and residents will not do interior work at the same time. Combined with daily living noise, this could affect the quality of life. To ensure a 5-star hotel living feeling for CN82 residents, full soundproofing for each unit is needed, including, first, soundproofing the exterior facade, second, soundproofing between floors, top and bottom units, and then soundproofing walls between neighboring units. We studied and applied 3 main solutions. Facade. Use a glass and aluminum system with 36 dB sound insulation. Floor. Add soundproof and protection layers, total 50 dB sound insulation. Wall. Use double brick walls with 55 dB sound insulation. Then section 2, sunken slab. This is the common solution to install bathroom pipes, but it has some issues. If there's a plumbing problem in the unit above, you have to enter the unit below to fix it. At night, flushing sounds from the upper unit can affect the one below. And most importantly, because the pipes go through the floor, the position of bathroom equipment is fixed and hard to change. But with the sunken slab solution, we can improve privacy of units. When fixing plumbing in the upper unit, no need to enter the unit below. No noise to the bathroom below. And solution for flexibility in toilet design layout in the future, as luxury customer has their demand, which differs from each other. The sunken slab solution is also used in many luxury projects in China that DE has visited. Section 3, central water filtration. For luxury customer, water quality matters, not just for drinking, but also for daily use. The central filtration system provides clean, drinkable water throughout the apartment. It improves lifestyle and is a strong selling point. In normal projects, clean water from the city is stored in a tank and then pumped directly to each apartment. For CN82, the water system is upgraded with 5 steps. Step 1, water is stored in a tank from the city supply. Step 2, it goes through 3 filters: sand, activated carbon, and a softener. Step 3, ozone is added to kill virus. Step 4, before entering the apartment, water is treated with UV light to kill virus again. Step 5, residents can drink the water directly from the tap or add a personal filter if they want not. This system ensures the water is always clean, safe, and meets the luxury living standards of CN82. Next, let's talk about the use of ozone in the landscape pool. Some landscape ponds don't have filtration systems. After being used for a while, they get mossy and cost a lot to clean and maintain. CN82 has many landscape pools to create visual highlights. To keep the design but also make it easy to maintain, we use the ozone system to prevent moss growth. The ozone water treatment system has 3 steps. Step 1. Collect water from all landscape pools into a treatment tank. Step 2. Add ozone to disinfect the water. Step 3. Pump the clean water back to the landscape pools, keeping it fresh and preventing moss growth through continuous circulation. And finally, the building management system. Using building management system for public areas too. Manage MEP systems in building. Includes HVAC lighting, access and video control, electrical, energy, monitor control, power, IT, renewable energies, and more. Central monitoring and control. Save labor through automation and remote control. Improve energy efficiency. In conclusion, the CN82 design improvement focuses on 2 items: aesthetic project upgrade and lifestyle enhancement. The first is aesthetic project upgrade, which includes 3 main improvements: facade, interior, and landscape. The second is lifestyle enhancement, with 5 main improvements: soundproofing, sunken slab, central water filtration, ozone system for landscape pools, and building management system. However, these design improvements are just the beginning. To make PMH projects better over time, we must keep improving and learning to achieve timeless value, just like the golden rectangle Lily. Everything is aimed at the goal of making Phu My Hung the most livable city in the world. Thank you all for your attention.